80 years ago today, the Australian flag was hoisted here to mark the recapture of Kokoda and the end of months of bloody battle.
One of the most important campaigns in Australia's history.
More than 600 Australians died and more than 1,600 were wounded. The bloody campaign was crucial in stopping the Japanese advance across the Pacific and towards Australia during World War II.
All three of these events reinforce a strong bond between the peoples of Papua New Guinea and Australia.
That friendship was firmly on show today. Today's commemoration has acknowledged not only the Australians who fought and died here at Kokoda, but also the many Papua New Guineans who were involved, those who served and those who provided essential aid and assistance to the wounded, who became known as the Fuzzy Wuzzy Angels.
Courage, endurance, mateship and sacrifice that both Australia and Papua New Guinea did.
The son of the Australian captain who coordinated the efforts of the Fuzzy Wuzzy Angels flew in from Australia.
The Fuzzy Wuzzy Angels busted their necks to look after the Australian soldiers.
Bringing with him the flag raised in 1942.
This is one of the most moving moments of my life.
That relationship could become even closer amidst a backdrop of rising geopolitical tensions in the region. Australia and Papua New Guinea are looking to strengthen defence ties with a bilateral security deal. A shared history and now a shared future. Natalie Whiting, ABC News, Kokoda.